अबाउट कि आपने बहुत पीना स्टार्ट कर दिया, फिर उसके बाद आपने बहुत सेल्फ पिटी करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, एंड यू वर जस्ट गोइंग इन दिस स्पाइरल और लो ही होते जा रहे थे. तो कौन सा ऐसा मोमेंट था वेयर यू लाइक,
I think
लेट मी क्विट इट?
there's nothing that it's not harming me. So let me drink. I want to work. I still want to be an actor. But I was not seeing the mirror too often to see how bad I started looking, you know. And what was I mostly liked for or casted for was the way I look, my physicality, more than an actor. And then one day I was sitting, I used to just be home and my wife works, and my son suddenly tells my wife in front of me, obviously they didn't say it purposely, they were just saying, you know, mom, आप हर दिन काम पे जाते हो, पापा तो हमेशा घर पे ही बैठे रहते हैं. And that just changed everything for me. That I just couldn't handle that.
क्या लगा खुद के बारे में
कि what am I doing? What kind of a father, what kind of example am I setting up for my kids? वो कैसे बड़े होंगे, कैसे वो उनमें वो आग आएगी कुछ करना है लाइफ में, अगर मैं ही गिव अप कर रहा हूँ. मैं ऐसा नहीं कर सकता अपने बच्चों को. उन्होंने नहीं कहा कि हमें पैदा करो, मैंने उन्हें लाइफ दी है, मैं उनको इस धरती पर लाया हूँ. तो ये तो मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि मुझे उनके लिए एक अच्छा एक एग्जाम्पल बनना चाहिए. एंड दैट्स व्हेन आई चेंज्ड. आई स्टार्टेड वर्किंग आउट. I started preparing myself. I started doing acting classes. I did a few here and there. I tried to be ready so that if anyone came knocking at my door, I would do something. But even at that point, I did some films because my brother always wanted, you know, like kuch karte hain. We managed to do Yamna Pagla Divana and all those things, which were just bad directors, bad scripts, except for the first one. Nothing was working out, you know. But even then, I just started not letting that come to me. I said, no, things will happen. Things will happen.
Self-belief started coming.
Self-belief started coming.
Did you do any weird job?
No, dude. I have never done any job.